Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in Python. Okay. Today I teach regarding class and object, and I show a simple program classes and object. Actually, what is class? Class is a template for a given object, or a class is a user defined data type, or class is a blueprint for a given object. And inside the class we are having methods and variables. Variables and functions are variables and methods. And in the main function declaring class with the object. Class with the object. Okay, both are interrelated with each other. Class and object both are interrelated with each other. Okay, and always the class and object are called in the main function. And details, all the details of the class is given inside the class. Like variable, part of the variable declaration, function declaration, these are given inside the class. You know what I will do? I will show a simple program. Okay, and in this program here, okay, here what I am doing. Here I am telling, here usually in classes and object, first you are declaring class, then you are declaring main function. In the class you are telling EMP, this is for printing the EMP details, number and name. Here I am calling the variables, here I am calling the functions, two functions, one is for assign, one is for show. And df is for defining the function of what type assigning. Okay, then what I am doing, whatever the variables we are passing to the function are called the instance variable. Okay, and in this instance variable we assign to the local variables. Okay, whichever the variables that are declared inside the class, that is called local variables. Okay, now what I am doing, now here I am one function for assigning, one function for printing letters, number and name. Okay, then what I am doing, in the main function I am calling the object with the class, and in this object is for calling the function for assigning and one for printing, for assigning the details, and whatever the parameter are passing in the function for assigning, same thing are passing in the for the object, for number and name. This is for assigning this is a program to use class with the object using Python. Okay, now if you run this program, see this is the output. This is the output part here. Okay, this is the output part here. Okay, this one, like this. Okay, thank you.